Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will start the lecture for class 8 mathematics exercise 1.2. In the previous lecture we have done 1.1. Exercise 1.2 on page number 12. The first question is write the transpose of the following matrices. Question number 1, part number 1. Exercise 1.2. Question number 1. Part number 1. P is equal to 1, 2, 3 and 1. Find the transpose. We take P raised to power T transpose. 1, 2, 3 and 1 transpose. When we make a transpose, the simplest method is first row change into the first column. 1 and 2. Move clockwise. Move your marker like clockwise. 1 and 2 like this. Now second row will be second matrix. 3 and 1 is your transpose. Now, question number 2. Which of the following matrices are transpose of each other? Now, question number 2. Part number 1. A equal to A1, A1, A2, B1, B2. We take that transpose. A transpose is equal to A1, A2, B1, B2 transpose. We take a transpose, we get A transpose, first row, change to first column. A1, A2, second row, change to the second column. B1, B2. Now check it in the question. This is given the B matrix. This answer is given in the build matrix. This means A transpose equal to B. Equal to B. Now, question number 3. Which of the following are symmetric? Symmetric. Now, question number 3. Symmetric. Symmetric means if some matrix is given, like A matrix is given, we take the transpose and we get same matrix again. That's called a transpose. The first part, question number 3, first part. A equal to 5 minus 7 minus 1 and 5. We take their transpose. We take them their transpose. Now, first row change to first column, second row to second column. Means A transpose is not equal to the matrix A. Not equal to matrix A is non-symmetric. Non-symmetric. Now, we do one question more now. One question more now. Part 2. B is given minus 1, 2, 2 and 3. We take them their transpose. B transpose is equal to minus 1, 2, 2 and 3. Their transpose. We get first row, first column, second row, second column. Now B transpose, we get the B again. It's a symmetric matrix. B is symmetric. Symmetric matrix because when we take a transpose of B, we get again the B because this matrix and this matrix are same. They are symmetric matrices. Now, question number 4. Which of the following are skew? Question number 4. Skew symmetry. If we have an A in transpose, we get minus A. It's called skew. When there is skew minus there. Symmetry. Now, we do part A. 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. Now, we take their transpose. A transpose. 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. Their transpose. We get 0, 4, minus 4 and 0. Now we take the common, minus common. When we take a minus common, 0, 7 it is. This minus 4 change to plus 4. This plus 4 change to minus 4. And 0, 7 it is. Now this matrix and this matrix in the given question are same. This means we get A transpose is equal to minus A. Is skew symmetry means A is Q17. Now, this exercise is complete. Now I am giving the homework. Homework. Question number 1. Part number 2. Part 3. 4 and 5th. Question number 2 now. Question number 2. Part number 3. And part number 4. Question number 3. Part number 3. And part number 4. And last question is question number 4. Part number 2, 3 and 4. Try your best to do this homework. If any problem, call me on my WhatsApp number. Thank you. God bless you.